Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best head shavers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. HeadBlade Moto Men's Head and Skull Shaving Razor. HeadBlade Moto Men's Head and Skull Shaving Razor won a Red Dot Design Award in 2017. It is made of a plastic bottom and features rubber finger rings. HeadBlade Moto Men's Head and Skull Shaving Razor is light in weight and is very easy to maneuver. Its dual-axis suspension allows Moto to roll various turns. The narrow body and finger rings make shaving convenient around your ears. HeadBlade Moto Men's Head and Skull Shaving Razor comes with a sleek design that provides a comfortable hold. It is compatible with HB6 and HB4 blade cartridges. HeadBlade Moto Men's Head and Skull Shaving Razor comes with a single HB4 blade. The blade allows pivoting up and down. At number 4. Rozia Electric Razor for Men Bald Head Shaver. Rozia Electric Razor for Men Bald Head Shaver comes with versatile functions. It comes with 5 detachable heads and a precision trimmer. It satisfies all your needs for head trimming. Rozia Electric Razor for Men Bald Head Shaver comes in an ergonomic design. It allows you a controlled shave with its compact size. It is also effortless to handle and store. Rozia Electric Razor for Men Bald Head Shaver meets IPX6 waterproof class. Its whole body is washable, which means you can use it while taking a shower. It features USB charging and provides you with a comfortable shave thanks to its ultra-advanced head pattern. It comes with 5 floating knife heads. At number 3. Remington HC4250 Shortcut Self-Haircut Kit. Remington HC4250 Shortcut Self-Haircut Kit head trimmer can fit in your palm so that you can quickly and comfortably use it. It features stainless steel blades which can easily cut through the thickest hair and reduce painful snagging. Remington HC4250 Shortcut Self-Haircut Kit head trimmer cuts 9 length combs about 15 to 51 mm to give you the exact look you want. It comes with a lithium-ion rechargeable battery which can serve you well for 40 minutes. You can use it for maximum convenience and versatility. Remington HC4250 Shortcut Self-Haircut Kit head trimmer includes a kit of 13 pieces. It features an extra wide curved blade to provide with close and evenly cut hair. This head shaver is 100% washable, which you can thoroughly rinse underwater. It can easily fit in your palm. At number 2. SEFON Electric Shavers for Men Bald Head. SEFON Head Shaver Bald Men Razor Electric. SEFON Men's Rotary Electric Shavers and Grooming Kit Bald Head with 5-in-1 multifunctional replaceable head. Use the men's electric shaver grooming kit can enjoy fresh, clean, cool, wet, dry shaver. This trimmer set will be the only gadget you need for your hair, beard and facial care. IPX7 waterproof. Clean hair shaver and easy to replace rechargeable. IPX7 waterproof design. SEFON multifunctional grooming kit with whole body washable design. You can enjoy shaving with foam or gel under shower. 360 degrees floating shaving. Flexible and independent floating 5-knife head will give you a wonderful haircut experience. At number 1. Skull Shaver Pitbull Platinum Pro Electric Razor. The reinvented and unique design of the Pitbull Platinum Pro men's shaver offers unconventional comfort during shaving. Pitbull Platinum Pro is equipped with our signature, patented, innovative ergonomic handle which offers easy grip and perfectly fits your hand to ensure comfortable and intuitive shaving of your head and face. The new Pitbull Platinum Pro is made of high-quality materials using technically advanced equipment and production facilities. The blade design captures hair clippings inside the shaving chambers and off your skin and shirt. Skull Shaver Platinum Pro Electric Shaver is equipped with a powerful integrated lithium-ion battery 1400 mAh, which allows quick charging and 90 minutes of cordless use. This gives you the freedom to shave anywhere and anytime. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.